Instagram is one of the biggest social media platforms right now, but you probably don't know how to monetize your account yet. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the exact step-by-step strategy that you can take to start making money from affiliate marketing on Instagram. And if you stay until the very end of the video, I'm going to give you a special bonus free gift that's going to help you with affiliate marketing. And let's get started into today's video. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 different examples and 3 different niches you can start this in to make money online with Instagram affiliate marketing. So the first niche I want to show you is a niche called weight loss. So this is a person that's as a weight loss coach. He's giving weight loss tips and different tricks you can do to lose like belly fat, butt fat, arm fat, back fat, and so much more. So as you see on my screen, he's giving different tips like how to make fitness easier, maybe like different motivation tips for like getting results for weight loss. And then also he's doing videos and reels, which this is a advanced version of doing affiliate marketing on Instagram. So what you can also do on your reels is show different tricks and different tips on your reels, and you can get some viral sounds and you can go viral and get hundreds of new followers and new people that want to most likely buy from you from your weight loss products, from your affiliate products, to be able to make money. So the second niche I want to show you to start Instagram affiliate marketing is a niche called woodworking. Now this page right here is not even showing this face at all. All they're doing is simply getting videos that they're showing for making from objects, maybe like this cabin thing right here, or maybe this little log thing right here, or maybe this wooden house, and they show you different examples and different types of content, such as like simple one-page posts like this, or maybe like a real video or a simple regular Instagram video, or so on and so forth. So what they're doing is simply they're posting something and they're gonna have a call to action either in their bio or one of their Instagram highlights, as you can see right here, from projects, tools, shed plans, or best reels. And they're gonna have a call to action to grab their shed plan inside it right here, and they're gonna click, and when people click this, they're gonna go to the offer and buy from them. So the last niche I want to show you to do Instagram affiliate marketing is a niche called make money online. So this is my personal page on Instagram that I'm simply doing affiliate marketing on. And I see right here, all I'm doing is showing people different side hustles, like how to make money online. So see right here, these are my different reels that I'm showing. And also on my page, I'm simply giving motivational tips and different tricks they can do, empower themselves and motivate themselves to achieve the best life they can have on their page. So this is something you can do as well. And I'm like I said, I'm going to go deep down more in depth of what you should do on Instagram affiliate marketing to make money online. So make sure you keep watching. So now that you know some examples of how to do this in 3 different niches, then I'm going to show you how to do this on Instagram with affiliate marketing. So there are 3 different ways I want to show you. So the first way, and I want to show you, is with simple reels or with videos on Instagram. This weight loss coach, he's talking about the struggle with dieters. And the second way is he's showing you the successful dieters what they do. So you see right here, he's giving 3 tips for struggle diets, what you don't need to do, and the 3 successful ways what you do need to do with dieters. And I see right here, he's giving a long, simple caption, and maybe after a caption that you talk about your post or your video, what you could do, have a call to action and say, hey, if you want more tips like this, maybe you should try this offer right here. And they're gonna click your offer and go to your affiliate page, and once they click it and buy for you, you're gonna make a commission. So this is an additional way you can do videos online. So what you can do is create Instagram reels, and you can simply do a simple method online as well. So what you want to do is create maybe a video like this. This is a video that did very good for me. So I see right here on my screen, I'm showing people how to make 7,000 per month online with a simple side hustle. And I see right here, I'm going to show you the way. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide how to do that. And then at the end of my video, I'm going to have a call to action and say, hey, you want to make money online? Click the link in my bio. So the next type of content, basically what you can do on Instagram to be able to make money with Instagram affiliate marketing, is you can simply post a single post on Instagram. So what this means is that you simply post an image just like this one, and you just have a long caption just like this, talk about what you're talking about maybe like this example, a woodworking house. And as you see right here on the next page, on the post, they saying build shelves easily with this collection of 12,000 plants. You get extra access to it in the link in the bio. So this is something you can do as well, because once you click the link in the bio, they're going to have an offer for you for the shed plan for you to purchase to learn how to do this, or build your own house, a wooden house. So the last way I want to show you how to do Instagram affiliate marketing is a way on doing on stories. So with stories, as you can see right here, here's the woodworking page. And all you're doing is right here is showing how to get a discount of how to do woodworking, and they showing an example of how to do it. And as you see right here, this link right here, toolshype.com, this is their affiliate link. They're showing of getting the tool or the product they're basically promoting as affiliate to be able to make money. So what you're going to do is simply have maybe a 15-30 second video talk about the product, and you have a call to action, say, hey, if you want more woodworking tips or tricks like this, you can click the link right here, and they're going to click it and buy the product from you. So this is something you can do as well. And if you're finding value out of this video so far, make sure to comment down below Instagram so I know you're finding value and like this video so far. Well, now that you know how to do Instagram affiliate marketing, you still might have the question, how do I find an offer to basically promote on Instagram? And how do I create content just like the videos that you've seen or single posts that you've seen on Instagram? Well, that's a good question because I'm going to show you that right now. This is part number 2 where I'm going to show you. So to simply find offers, what you want to do is go to Affiliate Marketing Network, which is a place where you can find products and services to basically promote to be able to make money. So for this example, I'm just going to go to popular affiliate network, which is called ClickBank, and you can simply go right here to sign up and create your free account online. So once you create your free account on ClickBank, what you want to do now is you want to go right here to Marketplace. This is where you're going to find products to basically promote to be able to make money. And from here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom screen until you see right here, categories. This is the niches that you're going to basically promote products in, such as like the weight loss industry I showed you, woodworking, or simply make money. For this example, I'm simply just going to choose e-business and e-marketing because this is a good category to be able to make money online with. So what you want to do is go right here to affiliate marketing. And from here, they're going to show you all the list of products in this category to be able to make money, such as like this one right here, write a app review, the fast track update for 2021, the top high converting ticket offer on ClickBank. So for this example purpose, I'm gonna just choose this product right here, click promote, and get your affiliate link. And then from here, they're gonna give you some information about your product that you're about to promote as affiliate. As you see right here, you're gonna earn 50% commission for every customer you refer this product. And to simply get your affiliate link, you wanna go right here to generate hop link. And from here, you simply wanna copy your link to basically promote it on Instagram to be able to make money. So now that you have find your offer, it's time to move to the next step. So the next step is to create content and post it on Instagram so we can get traffic to our offer to be able to make money. To do this, what we want to do is use a platform called Pixel. Now Pixel is a platform where you can pick the best free stock footage for free or videos you can post on Instagram to be able to make money. You can do this without even showing your face, so this is why I'm giving you this page to be able to make money. So for example, I'm just going to type in maybe our offers talk about make money online. So what I'm going to do is type in wealth. And as you see right here on my screen, I have like 3,000 over photos that I can choose from and over 100 videos I can simply select from and download for free. And what you can do from here is if you find an image or a video that you like, what you can do is go to that video or image and click on it. And then from here, what you're going to do is go right here to free download. And this is going to download to your laptop so you can simply post it from your laptop to Instagram. And then from here, what you want to do is also you want to use another platform called Canva. Now, Canva is another free tool that you can use to design different Instagram photos and videos to your liking on this platform. Now, to use this platform, what you want to do is you want to go right here and you want to simply type in Instagram post or Instagram video. It's going to be the first one that pops up right here. And then from here, what we can do is we can create a blank Instagram post template, or we can choose a done for you template that's already done for you, and all you gotta do is customize it to your liking. So it doesn't really matter which one. You can simply go to one and customize your own. So once you have your offer and you have your content ready to go, it's time to go back to Instagram and simply upload your content so you can start getting traffic to your offer. Now what you want to do from here is you want to create an Instagram account based off your niche you want to choose from. For example, if you want to choose like woodworking or simply like make money online, like my page I have right here, what you can do is simply create an account and simply start posting content. And once you have your offer and your affiliate link ready to go, you optimize your page something like this, where you can have your affiliate link just like this and put in your bio. And then once you start creating content, you have a call to action from your post, your Reels video, or your regular video on Instagram, or a simple story like I showed you in this video. And once you do that, you're gonna have a call to action so people can click your link and buy for you and make money online with Instagram affiliate marketing. Now, since you stayed to the end of this video, I want to give you my free gift that I want to give you for you to help you make money online. So the free gift I want to give you is my personal free ebook that's going to help you make money online, particularly with affiliate marketing on your online journey, because I know how it is as a new affiliate online to struggle and don't know where to go. So this is where I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about affiliate marketing from step by step, from A to Z, to teach you about affiliate marketing as a beginner. So all you gotta do is click the second link in my description, and I will give you all the details in the free ebook to learn about affiliate marketing in that ebook. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure to check out these two videos on screen, because once you check out these two videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.